Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the OPPO Reno 55G aka OPPO Find X3 Lite mobile phones. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. For the replacement, there are 3 different parts available. You can select camera lens rings or camera lens with the frame, or back cover with the camera lens installed. Take out the back cover and then apply heat to the camera lens glass. There are 4 camera lens rings. Select the broken camera lens ring and apply heat to it. And then slightly apply pressure from the rear side to take out the broken lens. Next, place and secure the new camera lens ring with adhesive. Next, follow the same steps for the other broken camera lens rings. Next, if needed, can take out the lens with the frame. First, apply heat to the lens area from the front side of the back cover. Next, slightly push from the front side to take out the lens with the frame. Next, secure the new camera lens with the frame on the back cover by adding adhesive. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.